up everybody, Jordan here. I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some products from a new company that I haven't tried before called the EDC Beard Co. Check out EDC Beard Co.'s website and Instagram, link down below in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. It does help me out. Let's get started. Alrighty, so let's start out by talking about EDC Beard Co. itself. So the owner's name is Lee, his wife Kimberly also helps him with EDC Beard Co. Launched on May 29th, 2023, based in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and then they sell small batch beard products in a variety of unique scents. And then next, let's talk about the ingredients in the beard oil and the beard butter. Alright, so starting off with the beard oil, it's organic apricot kernel oil, boar egg oil, rosehip oil, meadow foam seed oil, fractionated coconut oil, essential and fragrance oils for scent, and all its previous ingredients are organic. And then for the beard butter, it's also organic, ultra refined shea butter, organic virgin coconut oil, and then the carrier oil blend that I just mentioned. Next, let's discuss the scents that I got. Alrighty, so the scents that I got, starting off with Trailhead, which is Douglas fir, pine cones, clove, and fallen leaves. And then Canadian Barrel, which is smoked Canadian maple syrup paired perfectly with charred oak barrel bourbon. And then Southern Hospitality, which is roasted Georgia peaches, which is with a hint of maple and cardamom, then followed up with a warm tobacco leaf and a touch of caramel to smooth it out. And then for the beard butter, I got Zeroed In, which is their unscented. And next, let's unbox these products. Alrighty, so let's check out this stuff. Got EDC Beard Co. right on the top of the box there. It's pretty cool. And there we go. Some paper, and then we got a list of things that I ordered. Oh, cool. So we sent 4 free lip balms and then 5 free samples of beard oil and some other scents, so we'll get into those as well. That's super awesome. There's a note. Thanks so much for your order, Jordan. We appreciate it more than you know. Good 5 samples and some lip balms as well. Enjoy and thanks, Lee. That's awesome. Very, very cool. So then there's a QR code, EDC Beard Co. What's in your everyday carry, with their website and then their contact information. File that to the side, and then we got a cool sticker, the logo. Blue and white, really nice logo. Cool. And then so he's got the dropper tops and the restrictors, so you can use either one. That's pretty cool. I think I might use the restrictors because I just find those a little bit easier. We'll see. But I like that they have the option to do both. That's really cool. Also makes it easier for unboxing videos, so you can actually smell the scent more. If it's in a bottle with the restrictor, it's a lot harder to actually get the scent. Alright, so the first one is Canadian Barrel. So nice blue bottles, really cool labels, made in the USA for all beard types. It's got from like the Shakespearean like mustache and goatee, like a normal sized beard like mine, and then like a big beard, and then Sasquatch. Handcrafted in Fredericksburg, Virginia, USA. There's a QR code on the side there, veteran owned business. Always like that. Cool, so we'll put these aside for now and then we'll check them out all at once. And then we got Trailhead right there. Last but not least, we got Southern Hospitality. EDC Beard Co. is in orange on that one. It's pretty cool. Really nice looking labels. You got the scent profile on the side, and then the ingredients as well. Yeah, really nice looking labels. Especially, it's all really impressive considering that EDC has only been around since May of this year, so still a very new company. Yeah, really cool. We're just gonna pull up the scent profiles here before we get into the samples that Lee sent. So we got Sail Away, which is nautical air, jasmine, and mandarin. Sounds nice. And then we have Fig and Awesome, which is ripe figs, bergamot, peaches, vanilla musk, candied rum, and amber. And these are 5 milliliter samples. And we got Halloween, which is vanilla, pumpkin spice, marshmallow, and caramel. Ooh, I know what I'm rocking on Halloween, which is coming up in a few weeks. So I'll definitely be rocking that one. Better look. There you go. And we got Trick or Treat, which is ginger, peppercorn, spice, amber, tobacco, teakwood, and sandalwood. Ooh, that sounds killer. Multiple nice fall scents. And we got Drunken Apples, which is bourbon, Macintosh apples, cinnamon sticks, and clove. Another great one for the fall. That's really awesome. And then we got the Zeroed In beard butter, which is a 2 ounce, which I think is the right size for beard butter. I think 4 ounces is a little on the big side, so anything between 1 and 2 ounces is definitely the way to go in my opinion. Yeah, so I got a nice white tin with the ingredients on the back. It's really cool. It says unscented there as well. Ooh, nice and smooth looking butter. Yeah, and it's totally unscented. I always like to check, they say, like companies say they're unscented, but they have a little bit of a scent to them. That one does not, so that's pretty cool. And we got the lip balms in these little nice brown boxes. I don't typically use lip balm, but I'll be testing these out. So this one is bourbon, and then this guy is peppermint, moisturizing lip balm. 2 more here. All right, and then we got maple, it's number 3. And then last but not least, we have strawberry banana. That's pretty unique. All right, so then next, let's check out these scents. Starting off with, we got Trailhead. So again, this one is Douglas fir, pine cones, clove, and fallen leaves. Give that a shake. Ooh, yep, woodsy, right up my alley. Yeah, you definitely get the fur initially, and then I feel like I get the pine cones like coming up next, and then a little bit of clove in the background. Fallen leaves, you can tell that they're there, but they're subtle initially in bottle. And then I don't know if I want to go with the restrictor tops on second thought now. I think I might go with the droppers because I really like these, the white. They look really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go with that. And then I'll just keep these restrictors somewhere, and if I want to switch it, I can just swap them out nice and easily. Yes, that's what it looks like with the dropper. Very, very nice. And then next we have Canadian barrel, which again is Canadian maple syrup, Kentucky charred oak, and bourbon barrel. Ooh, ho, 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 ho. Yeah, I definitely get the maple right up front. I'd say I get the oak next, and the bourbon's like kind of more in the background. Oh, that is smooth. Very, very nice. All right, and then last but not least, we have Southern Hospitality, and again, this one is ripe figs, bergamot, fresh peaches, vanilla musk, candied rum, and dark amber. I'm generally not crazy about peaches, but this one sounded intriguing, so I wanted to pick this one up. I definitely get the peaches up front, and then I think the figs would be the next thing that I notice. I'd say the vanilla musk is the next thing as well, and then kind of a mix of the candied rum and dark amber, that like deep sweetness in the background. That is nice. I can't wait to rock this in beard. Definitely pick some bangers. And then next, let's get to these samples. We got 5 of them. First, we have Fig and Awesome. This is ripe figs, bergamot, peaches, vanilla musk, candied rum, and amber. Again, these are 5 milliliter samples. Give that a shake. Oh, these have a restrictor. Oh, that's cool. Never seen a sample with a restrictor on it. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's smooth. I get the rum and the amber. A little bit of peaches initially. That's nice. And then next we have Sail Away, which is Nautical Air, Jasmine, and Mandarin. I'm expecting this to be like a nice, like clean, fresh sort of scent. Yeah, clean, fresh, sweet, like an exotic kind of sweet, not just like a fruit kind of sweet. That's clean. It's like almost like fresh laundry. I dig that. That's really nice. And then next, moving to this side, we have Halloween, which is vanilla, pumpkin spice, marshmallow, and caramel. Ooh. Definitely get the marshmallow off the top for sure. It mixes with the vanilla, I would say, as well, and the caramel kind of fades in the background with the pumpkin spice. Oh yeah, very, very nice. And then we have Drunken Apple, which is bourbon, Macintosh apple, cinnamon sticks, and clove. Definitely get the cinnamon sticks off the bat with the clove there too. The apples is more subtle, but I can definitely tell that it's there. And then I'd say the bourbon kind of fades into the background. Yeah, that's nice. Very cool scent. And then we got Trick or Treat, which is ginger, peppercorn, spice, amber, tobacco, teakwood, and sandalwood. Yeah, definitely get the tobacco and the teakwood and the sandalwood up front. A little bit of spice, I would say. Hint of amber as well. Yeah, that's nice. All right, and then next, let's check out these lip balms that Lee sent. So this is peppermint, so it should just be straight out peppermint. Yep, just straight up peppermint. Plain and simple. I like that. And then we got strawberry banana. Ooh, very nice. Definitely not something I'd want to smell like in a beard oil, but for a lip balm, that's cool. And then over here we have maple. A little more subtle, but definitely you can tell that the maple is there. Yeah, very, very cool. And then we got bourbon. A little more subtle, but definitely still there. Yeah, very, very nice. Alrighty, let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, yeah, so to wrap up this video, all these 3 scents that I ordered, they all smell awesome. I'm gonna start rocking these in beard tomorrow as I'm recording this. So by the time you see this video on Friday is when it should be released. I'll have used all 3 because Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm gonna test these out for a good few days in a row, with and without the butter, see what it feels like in beard, and then I'll also test the samples as well. Butter looks really, really smooth, so I'm excited to check that out as well. Yeah, shout out to Lee for including the 5 free oil samples as well as the 4 free lip balms. Definitely excited to check those out. Always cool when companies throw in some extra stuff. Yeah, and then make sure you check out EDC Beard Co. link down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below. Let me know if you've tried EDC Beard Co. and what you thought. Share this video out to somebody who's looking for a new company to try. Yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.